Here's a place we've always wanted to eat, the Beach House Bar and Grill. Right here on the boulevard. The Beach House is located on 1205 North Ocean Boulevard, in the heart of the Myrtle Beach Strip. It's a 2-minute walk to the Skywheel on one side and a 2-minute walk to the new Plex amusement park on the other side. It was such a nice day, you know where we're sitting, on the outside. The beach house is craftily decorated with a beachy theme on the inside and the outside. They have a full bar with everything you need to stay hydrated, including their famous fish bowls. Their food consists of everything from seafood to steaks. For an appetizer, we shared a plate of fried pickles. And for lunch, she got the chicken parmesan sandwich. And I got the blackened grouper sandwich. Our cohorts got the bangin' shrimp tacos and a grilled chicken sandwich. From this place, you can watch cars pass within feet as they cruise Ocean Boulevard. And the world-famous boardwalk is just across the street. How convenient is that? Usually when we pass by here, this place is packed with people waiting to get a seat. At night, they offer live music 7 nights a week. The Beach House has historically been a Myrtle Beach tradition since 1988. And if you don't want to sit outside to overlook the boulevard, there's plenty of seats inside where you can watch your favorite sporting event on the big screen. Whichever you prefer, the Beach House always delivers a good time.
Nutty monkey.
So drop in and grab a seat on the front porch and enjoy the best seat on Ocean Boulevard. For some good times, good food, and so you can always keep beaching.
Well, that's a wrap. Beach House Bar and Grill in Myrtle Beach. Come check them out.